Hey everyone, welcome back to Gastromania. Today, we are going to present two simple recipes that are perfect for the hectic city lifestyle, perfect for the working adult or busy students to try out. The two recipes are yam rice and corn soup. They are simple to prepare and will take no time. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. First, for the yam rice recipe for about 4 people, we will need 12 pieces of dried mushrooms, about 40 grams of dried shrimps soaked in water for at least 30 minutes. The dried mushrooms also has to be soaked, then once they are softened, remove the stalk and slice them thinly. 4 shallots, cut them into thin slices. 200 grams of yam cut into cubes. We also have 200 grams of chicken sliced into thin pieces. Season it with about 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, a dash of white pepper powder, and if you're using chicken breast like me, you can also add 1 egg white to help maintain the moisture inside the chicken as the cooking process will be quite long. Mix all the seasonings evenly. And of course, we will need white rice. Wash about 2 cups of white rice for this recipe. And with that, let's get cooking! Firstly, fry the shallots until they get fragrant. Add the dried shrimps and fry them for about 30 seconds. Then, add the dried mushrooms without the soaking water and fry them until fragrant. Once everything gets fragrant, add the yam cubes and fry them for about 2 minutes. Add the chicken slices and fry them until they get white. Once the chicken slices change color, add the raw rice and mix evenly. Then, we can start seasoning the rice. Add about 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, add the mushroom soaking liquid as well, don't waste it. Half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for some color. You can also add more if you prefer it to be darker. One tablespoon of oyster sauce. Taste the rice and make sure that the taste of the yam rice is to your liking. Adjust the taste if needed. Then, transfer the yam rice to a rice cooker. If it is too dry, add more water into the rice cooker. We will need to steam the yam rice in the rice cooker for at least 30 minutes. Just pop it into the rice cooker and we're almost done. If you happen to have slightly more time, you can also prepare a simple soup. It's a simple corn soup and you only need 5 to 6 red dates. Make sure you break the skin so that the flavour releases faster. 2 corns cut into thick chunks like this. 1 carrot diced into chunks like this. If they are cut too small, they will dissolve after the long cooking process. 150 grams of pork spare ribs, blanched. Optionally, you can also add some yellow onions for some sweetness. About 40 grams of dried scallops, washed and soaked for at least 30 minutes. Put everything into a slow cooker and then add about 1.75 liters of hot water. Then, put the soup into a slow cooker and boil for at least 2 hours. It's optimal to set this cooking at low heat before leaving for work in the morning, and you will come home to perfectly boiled soup that is rich in flavour. These two recipes take no time to prepare, contain simple ingredients that are easy to work with. Try them today! And we have come to the end of today's recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed these simple to prepare recipes, and do remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the episode. Subscribe to stay tuned for our weekly recipes, and I'll catch you in my next video.